Good morning to everybody. Today we discuss about exponents and powers. So 10 multiplied by 5 times means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. The product of 10 multiplied by 5 times equal to 1 lakh. So this can be written as in another method 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 can be written as 10 power 5. In this multiplication, 10 is multiplied by 5 times. So this can be written as 10 power 5. In 10 power 5, 10 is called base. 5 is called power or index or exponent. So a into a into a into a into a into a into a up to n times can be written as a to the power of n. In a to the power of n, a is called base and n is called power or index or exponent, and a to the power of n is called exponential form. Do this worksheet. In the worksheet, write base and exponent and exponential form. In the first problem, in the exponential form p power 7, the base is p and the exponent is 7. In the same way, the remaining problems can do in your notebook. In another side, the base is a, exponent is 7. The exponential form is a to the power of 7. In the same way, the remaining problems can do in your notebook. Write the expanded form of the following. P power 7. P power 7 can be written as P into P into P into P into P into P 7 times. In the same way, the remaining problems can do in our notebook. Write the exponential form of each expression. A into A into A into dash 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 L times can be written as A to the power of L. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 dash dash n times can be written as 5 to the power of n. In the same way, the remaining problems can do in your notebook.